Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are very good, right? So children, welcome back to your maths class, and today we are here again with another topic of maths. So today we will learn counting 201 to 400. Okay, so children, let's start our today's class. So children, here is our counting, right? So we have already understand that what are ones, what are tens, and what are hundreds. Yes, when we talk about single digits, right? If we talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so these all are single digits. Yes, or single digits जितने भी होते हैं that are known as ones values. Yes, they are known as ones values, and then they will change into two values, and whenever they will change into two values they will turn into ones and tens. Yes, जब वंस वाली वैल्यूज़ कितनी हो जाती हैं, डबल हो जाती हैं, तो उनको हम टेंस और वंस में डिवाइड कर देते हैं ना. टू नंबर्स जो होते हैं वो मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं, वंस एंड टेंस बोथ. यस, फर्स्ट डिजिट जो होता है उसका वो टेंस कहलाता है, दूसरा जो सेकंड डिजिट होता है दैट इज़ नोन एज वंस place value. Yes, and after that if we will add one more digit to it here before tens, then it will known as hundreds place values. Yes, जैसे tens 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 ऐसे होते हैं नंबर्स. 30, 40, 50, 60, ये सारी जो वैल्यूज़ हैं these are known as tens values. Yes, and then when we reach up to 100, that 100 will change into hundreds place value. Yes, hundreds, tens and ones, right? सिंगल डिजिट जो होते हैं उनको हम वंस वाली वैल्यूज़ में लिखते हैं. Yes, that is known as ones place values, and when we write two numbers together, two digits together, that number will known as tens and ones number. And then when we write three digit number together, it will known as hundred, tens and ones place values. Okay, so children, today we will learn counting from 201 to 400. Okay, so all of you take out your notebook, maths notebook, and let's start doing counting in our notebook. Okay, but before starting our work in notebook, let's understand that why are we using or why we are learning counting. Yes, what is the importance of counting? हमें counting की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी है ना? We use counting in tables. We use counting to form numbers. Numbers बनाने में हमें counting ही use आती है. Yes, we use digits counting in making numbers. Yes, we use counting in after, before, between. We use it for comparison also. We use it for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes, so अगर हम देखें हर एक काम को करने के लिए whatever division, sum or whatever multiplication, sum, addition, subtraction, or to find number after it or before it, or to find number in between, or when we have to do comparison, for all these things we need to learn and memorize counting, right? क्योंकि counting हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा important होती है, and it is really very important to know and understand the criteria of counting. Yes, it is very very important for us to understand and to memorize counting so that we can easily do our sums and do all these situation based sums. Yes, or to do all these things like to make tables, to do the formation of numbers, to do after, before and between, to do the comparison. Yes, and to do the sums based on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay children, So that is why we need counting, and we have already learned and understood counting from 1 to 200. Okay, so now we will start counting from 201 to 400. Okay, let's begin our class, and we are going to do counting in our notebook. Okay, take out your notebook, everyone. If you take out your mathematics notebook, and here is our maths notebook. So last revision we have done on 6/10/2020. Yes, and from new page we will start our second term. So okay, so I have written like this, second term, and you also have to write like this only, second term, because first term is over, as our exams are also over, right? So we are doing our new work from today, and we'll first of all we'll write second term. Okay, now we will write today's date, 26/10/2020, and here we'll put heading counting 201 to 400. Okay, and here like this we have to write these place values, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, and after that we will leave one block, then we will write again hundreds, tens and ones, then again we have to leave a block, then again we will write 100 tens and ones, then again we have to leave a block, and then we will write 100 tens and ones. Okay, now we will start writing counting. Okay, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210. Right, after that we'll continue this counting. Yes, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, and after that we will write 220. Okay, then 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 28 and 29, then 230. Okay, and this way we have to carry on with the line of 31, 32, 33, 34, right? 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240. Now after that on next page we will write again hundreds, tens and ones like this, after leaving one block. Okay, and then we'll continue counting, right? 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250. Then continuing with this line also. Okay, then we will write 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 258, 259, 260, right? Then 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270. Then again moving ahead, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 288, 78, 208, 79, 280. Yes. Then turn to next page. We'll continue. 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290. Then 291, then 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 300. Yes, after 99 we will write 200. Yes, 299 क्या आएगा? 300. Yes, after 299 we will write 300. Then we will count forward. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310. Then 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 316, 317, 318, 319, 320. Then on next page again we will write hundreds, tens and ones. Yes, again we'll leave a block, one line. Yes, then again HTO, that means hundreds, tens and ones values. Then again leave one block, then again write hundreds, tens and ones, then again leave one block, then again we'll write 100 tens and ones, right? Then we'll continue counting. 321, 322, 323, 324, 325, 326, 327, 328, 329, 330. Then 331, 332, 333, 334, 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 340. After that 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, 350. Then again we'll count forward. 351, 352, 353, 354, 355, 356, 357, 358. Yes, 359, then 360. Yes, then again we'll move to next page. Now again we will write hundreds, tens and ones, and then we'll continue writing. Yes, 361, 362, 363, 364, 365, 366, 367, 368, 369, 370. After that 371, 372, 373, 374, 375, 376, 377, 378, 379, 380. Then 381, 382, 383, 384, 385, 386, 387, 388, 389, 390. Yes, and last is 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399, 400. Yes, after 399, 400 will come. Okay, so children, you have to do your work in notebook like this. Okay, and you have to write it in a very neat and clean handwriting with proper hundreds, tens and ones place values. Yes, like this, and you have to leave one block. Keep this thing in mind and write one digit in one block. Okay, like this. In the same manner you have to do the work. Okay, take care, stay home, stay safe. God bless you.